नहीं सर, क्या होता है ना कि lot of singers are not getting a chance because they're जैसे now for this film अभी where's Amal's song, they wanted some established singer to sing. So I said, why? He's composed the song, he sings the song really well. If Himesh can sing, if Vajit can sing, then why can't Amal sing? When his own uncle sings, and uncle's voice is so really good. Different voice. So why can't Amal sing? And I also thought financially it is not fair because he's composing, Arman is singing, Arman is doing shows, Arman is chapoing, and this guy is only sitting on the console and making music. तो या तो फिर भाई को दे दो 50%, वो नहीं होता है तो फिर भाई भी गाएगा. तो एक फैमिली की यूनिटी के लिए कि पैसों में झगड़ा नहीं हो, कि उनकी फैमिली का ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड अच्छा है. So for that, Amal sang. So he got a chance. Like Palak, for example, she's been singing since the age of 4, 5. And do you know what she does? With her money, about a week ago, she has done 800 surgeries, pediatric heart surgeries. So this is what, what being human is. I mean, she's done it on her own, without having a foundation. She just started a foundation. So on her own, she used to make money, and she used to put that money towards kids with heart conditions. So when I got to know that, she's a damn good singer. So I just thought that if she's doing such a great job, I mean, there are lots of singers who are coming in. Why not give her a song as well? So then she sang for Ekta Tiger. Now she's chapoing. But the money is going to a great cause. So every film I make sure that, there's something or the other of Palak. Not because of this thing what she's doing, because she has got an incredible voice and she takes it very seriously and it doesn't go to her head. Also the reason for singing is that he sings and this song becomes a big hit. People have confidence in giving newcomers songs to sing. It all depends on the tune. It doesn't depend on the singer. An idiot like me just sang a song, yeah? He's got 12 million hits. I don't know sur from any angle, yeah? I don't know beat. He's Gaya. Arey kahan aata yaar ye? So most of the songs I've sung without even the music. They've done the tempo for me. He sing it and I used to repeat it. Vajit used to sing it and I used to repeat it. Himesh used to sing it and I used to repeat it. So all the songs that I've done with them has been done like this because I'm not a musician. I don't know. I've not studied any music. Which I will do now since I'm singing. I'll have to do that. कि सवाल क्या था यार? हाँ, Hiral, do you remember the question? हाँ? क्यों गाया? इसलिए.
निखिल जी इधर बीच में सेंटर.
हाय.
आपने कहा कि इस फिल्म में कल होना हो का रोमांस ही नहीं, डी डे का रोमांच भी है. तो ज्यादा क्या है, रोमांच या रोमांस? आपने मुझे कहा था कि इस फिल्म में कल होना हो का रोमांस ही नहीं, डी डे जैसा रोमांच भी है.
अच्छा,
तो आपको क्या लगता है कि इसमें क्या चीज ज्यादा है? क्योंकि फिल्म का जो ट्रेलर है वो देखकर तो लगता है कि ज्यादा
नहीं, मैं सिर्फ ये कहूँगा कि जब सलमान ने मुझे फ़ोन किया था ये पिक्चर करने के लिए, द फर्स्ट थिंग ये सेड कि यार डी डे जैसी रियलिस्टिक पिक्चर मत बना प्लीज़. I want it bigger than life. I want it larger than life. I want scale. I want it to be in a huge kind of way to promote, to give these two a platform. But ये जिसे आपने लिखा यहाँ पे लिखा है Rebels Love Freedom. The film is about love. एक लव स्टोरी है, इन दोनों की लव स्टोरी है, सूरज और राधा की लव स्टोरी है, सुभाष जी की स्टोरी है. और इवेंचुअली कलोना हो डी मुझे मैं नहीं जानता हूँ, बट इट्स अ फैंटास्टिक लव स्टोरी जो आपको दिखाई देगा. सुपर म्यूज़िक है फिल्म में, जो सब लोग ने काम किया है, बहुत मेहनत की है म्यूज़िक के लिए इस फिल्म में. और बट आप पूछोगे द एक्शन इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी 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 इंटेग्रल टू द फिल्म. बहुत मेहनत की हम लोग ने एक्शन में भी मेहनत की. आज म्यूजिकल नाइट है तो हम लोग म्यूज़िक के बारे में बात करेंगे, बट द एक्शन इज़ ऑल्सो फैंटास्टिक इन द फिल्म.
Very soon we're going to have an action night as well.
Hi, Salman, on your right.
yes.
Yeah. Hi. Salman, you were just saying that you took the song and you sang it so that you can promote the movie. But do you think, would you agree that you need an established face to promote the newcomers? Be it as a singer or as a cameo?
He will answer this one. अच्छा खुद का माइक है आपके पास. क्या पूछ रही हैं कि you need a face to
Established face.
to promote singers?
You need T-series to promote singers.
No, but I mean, how is an established face going to promote? Oh, you're talking about Suraj and Suraj Prajatia at that time was not an established face. He produced Salman Khan in the film industry. So it is all about the film. It's all about the music, the film, and the audiences coming into the movie and liking the movie that makes your star.
But today, established actors, the audience go more towards the film.
It could also work the other way around कि सलमान खान ने प्रोड्यूस की है, सलमान खान पिक्चर में नहीं है, so that also could work against us. If somebody else would have done this, like a Karan Johar or Adi Chopra or somebody else would have launched them, they would have gone to see the film for the new boy and girl. But I am here, promoting, which is also a big scare. So it should be Salman Khan's production. We want to see Salman Khan's movie, as well as because he made a really good film last time, Bajrangi Bhaijaan. After this is his second film that he's producing, and he's launching 2 new kids. So that intrigue level has got to be there, and that intrigue level only comes from the from the promos, from the music and from the promos, that you get to know that यार ये promo मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, we should go and see this film. कभी-कभी ऐसा promo होता है कि दिख जाता है कि पिक्चर में इसके best shots ना यहीं पे promo में है, so you don't feel like going to see the movie. Right now, from the reaction that we're getting on Hero, everyone is loving it. I mean, most of you have come to me for interviews, and the first thing I've asked you, what is your feel? And everyone says that we get a really good feel about this movie. And so do the fans. I mean, on promo level, trailer level, Atiya and Suraj have already been accepted by the fans.
Hi, Suraj.
Hi, Salman, Ritesh from ETV. मेरा सवाल आपसे है, आपकी नज़र में हीरो का मतलब क्या होता है? हीरो
आप भी हो, पीछे खड़े हो आप.
आपका मतलब हीरो का क्या होता है? हीरो का क्या मतलब आपके लिए?
सर हीरो एक फ्रैक्शन ऑफ अ सेकंड के अंदर राइट डिसीजन लेकर खड़ा हो जाने वाला वो हीरो है सर.
Hi, Suraj. Which is your favorite song from the album and why? Yours and Atiya's.
Hello. एक ही mic चल रहा है. ये लो.
Hello. Can we have some gain on the mics, please? Yeah, thank you.
I have 2 favorite songs of mine. One is definitely मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा, and the second one is ओ खुदा. So I love these 2 songs. Yeah.
Atiya?
बाजू में कौन बैठा वो भी देख लो भाई. लेफ्ट
No, 'cause these 2 songs
देख के चलो रास्ते में, लेफ्ट देखो राइट देखो, लेफ्ट देखो राइट देखो, फिर क्रॉस करो रास्ता.
Because these 2 songs were the first songs that I heard.
Atiya, your
Mine would be definitely मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा and यार तेरी याद, because it was really close to my heart because why are you laughing? Because it was really close to my heart while shooting for the song, and yeah, I really enjoyed the process of shooting for the song, so that's why.
Thank you.
Hi Salman here. Nilesh from Think Market Magazine. What was your biggest challenge as a producer?
कार्ड दिखाओ पहले.
आपका biggest challenge बताइए. as a producer for this film?
Hello.
What
Kya?
was the biggest challenge for you?
The biggest challenge for me in this movie was not to care about the budget. Because we caring about the budget little either udhar could just make this film into a disastrous film. So the kind of budgets that I work on, we've done the same budget for Atiya and for Suraj.
Hi, Salman.
Because their journey starts from this film onwards. So we didn't want to leave any stone unturned. So from the music to selection of the director, from him spending, days and nights with these two, and they going through all their training and stuff like that, all dancing, action, all that stuff. So I was working in Bajrangi, but my concentration was more here than Bajrangi because I've seen my life journey. Now from here, what? As a hero, how many years? 35, 40 years, I'll do well. But हाँ इतना कम है क्या? तो their career starts now. ऐसा नहीं that finger should point at me कि आपने तो यार मरवा ही दिया हम लोगों को.
हाय सलमान, यहाँ आपने कहा जो एक फ्रैक्शन में डिसीजन ले वो सही हीरो है. सलमान कितने बड़े हीरो है उनके हिसाब से?
वो क्राइसिस में मैं आजकल भाग जाता हूँ.
Hello. Whenever you have collaborated with two of the biggest Khans of the industry, Shah Rukh and Salman, you have given blockbuster hits. And both of these Khans have great sense of music. So could you tell us how was it working with both of them and what kind of musical sensibilities do these two Khans have?
मैंने रियलिटी पे बात करूँगा कि मैंने सलमान भाई का गाना अभी सुना है तो शाहरुख खान साहब का सुनूंगा तो मेरे लिए अभी
अरे चांस ही नहीं है. ये तो लूजिंग बैटल है. ये तो सुनो ही नहीं. मैं सुना हूँ.
अभी तक
मैं सुना हूँ. वो खुद मेरा हाथ उठा देगा.
तो फिर जवाब सलमान भाई ने दे दिया.
आमिर भी दोनों ऐसे.
तो म्यूजिक सेंस की बात आप कर रहे थे तो सलमान भाई तो खुद गा सकते हैं. Is that true? आपने मुझे दुबई में डांस करवाया था. इन्होंने क्या किया दुबई में मुझे एक शो था वहाँ पे इन्होंने कहा कि हमने इकट्ठे गाना गाना है सलमान भाई ने और उसके बाद मुझे डांस करवाने लग गए. मेरे लिए वो चीज़ हो ही नहीं पा रही थी. आज मैं देख के मेरा दिल को बड़ा ठंडक पहुंची कि आपको पता लग रहा है कि जो मेरे साथ हो रहा था.
Nikhil, hi, Farid. Nikhil, on your left.
We'll have the last two questions.
Yeah, Faridun from Bollywood Hangama.
अरे सर मेरे तो हाथ पैर कांप रहे थे.
Hi Faridun.
Hi. I believe Karan Johar has seen the movie and he has really liked Hero and he's tweeted about that as well. But apparently Mr. Khan hasn't seen the movie yet. So when are you showing the movie to?
यार तुम ऑफ वाले तुम यहाँ पे बता रहे हो. ऑफ रिकॉर्ड बोला था ना मैं तुमको ये. हाँ. मैं नहीं बोला था तुमको. Hangama.com.
On record बोला था.
Yeah, so Salman has seen the cut of the film. He hasn't seen the copy which he's going to see day after tomorrow. So this I'll call you as soon as he finishes watching it.
I've seen the whole film.
I have your number, Faridun. You keep WhatsApping me. So many million people have watched your interview. So
What's your reaction to Mr. Karan Johar?
अगर उसको बोलो कि ट्वीट थोड़ा सिंपल कर दे हिंदी में कर दे.
Okay. So what is your reaction to Karan Johar's tweet about your?
Well, I spoke to him and he had very good things to say about the film. He saw it last night and he couldn't believe the performance given by Suraj and Atiya. He thought that the exact words what he said, it's a breezer, and I just love the fact that both of them have done such a great job. It doesn't look as if it's their first film.
And he also could not believe the work that Nikhil Advani has done in it.
That also.
Okay. Yeah. Mr. Amar Botala, what is the screen count of the movie, if you can please tell us?
The screen count of the movie, we should ask the man right at the corner there, Nandu.
Full justice will be done and good release will be given to the film, yeah. I think the full justice will be done with the film and a good release will be given to the film.
Salman? Salman here. According to reports, it's been said that you have been a part of the editing of 30 minutes of the film, and especially the kissing scene also. So
There was no kissing scene in the film. We wanted to put one, but they refused.
But then there are reports that you were the one who...
Why haven't you done it? I've never done a kissing scene. So how can I ask them to do it? And I don't think he's also interested. I don't think they're also interested. I don't think anyone's interested. I don't even think you're interested. You're asking me that question.
So what was the reason that you deleted
Why
30
would you want to
minutes?
see somebody else kiss? You should kiss yourself.
But why did you delete the 30 minutes of the film?
Yes, that is true. That is true. See, we used Subhash ji's epic as a storyboard. बोलते हैं ना कि यार वो थोड़ी सी 20 मिनट कम होनी चाहिए थी, तो हमने वो 20 मिनट निकाल दिए. For the betterment of your watching.
We'll have one last question here.
Yeah, last question here. My question is to Suraj and Atya. I'm Hardik here from Zoom. Hi Suraj here. On your right. Left, sorry. So, who is your real life hero whom you admire the most apart Salman Khan and your parents?
Sorry. Say it again once.
Who is your real life hero whom you admire the most apart Salman Khan and your parents? Same question goes to Atya too.
Atya Shetty.
Suraj Pancholi, he's my hero.
सब correct answer दे रहे हैं. What you gave me, I'm going to give it back to you too. Wait. I think it's no, I think abhi ye sub faces are getting, yeah. And no, the next boy that we are going to launch, he's not a star kid, but he has the potential. And it is not because they're star kids. It's because he's Suraj and she's Atya, and they're damn good at what they do. That is the reason. They just happen to be born in this industry. Like I happen to be born in this industry. I'm a writer's son. So he's a star. He was a star writer, but he was not a star. Ajay Devgan was a fight master's son, who was a fighter. He became a star. There are lots of star sons who've not done well. So it's complicated. Destiny you don't have any hold or grasp on destiny. You don't know what's going to happen in the next 5 minutes. So abhi 4 din baki hai release ke liye.
All right, this will be the final one. All right, guys.
Why not?
It was good because he never made me feel that he was my father on set. And it was an amazing experience working with him. I've seen his films before, but I realized how good of an actor he was when I actually worked with him. Because when you're in the same house, you're not really interested in what your parents are doing. I think it's in in every house. But when I worked with him, I'm so surprised by seeing my father being such a good and amazing performer. Yes.
So
सुभाष जी आपसे मेरा क्वेश्चन है.
Sir, आए दिन खबरें आती है कि आप बिग बॉस नहीं कर रहे हो, suddenly due and special entry. तो can we say that कि channel cannot afford losing you? कि वही चाहते हैं कि आप भी करें बिग बॉस season?
नहीं, you know, last season Farah did. Farah's TRP after me was Farah's TRP was higher than mine.
I think I hope that has answered your question, and thank you very much. That's about it.